Hi neighbor, let me ask you something. If your income stayed the same all through 2026, would you be happy with it? Most people I talk to say, Mfon, I just want to make more money next year. But then I checked what they are actually doing every day. And it's mostly scrolling social media, downloading freebie, attending free webinars, and waiting for something magical to happen. You don't earn more because you want to earn more. You earn more because you learn the right skills. So in today's video, I'll be breaking down 7 high income skills that can double your income in 2026, even if you have zero tech background. So grab your notepad, neighbor, because class is in session. Writing. Everything online is powered by words. A client needed a ghostwriter for LinkedIn, and I referred one of my students. She just got her contract renewed for the 2nd month. How can you improve on your writing skill? Now, I know AI is our assistant. We've established that already. But you can also read this book. This book is going to also help you to improve your writing skill. You can also improve on your writing skill by writing. It's just like speaking. You cannot be a good speaker or public speaker by keeping quiet or being silent or running away from public speaking. You have to speak. So in order for you to be a good writer, learn to read and also learn to write. Use AI to draft, but always rewrite it in your own voice and tone. AI integration. Listen, AI is not sent by your village people. And you need to stop thinking this is another celebrity gossip that will go in the next 1 week. It's here to stay. AI is not the future. AI is now. And AI is not even coming for your job. The people who know how to use AI are the ones coming for your job, are the ones coming for you. So the earlier you embrace it and start using it, the better for you, because people are making money using artificial intelligence. Now, I am not just talking about ChatGPT. You can tell me, oh, fun, I know how to prompt ChatGPT. Of course, ChatGPT is making people a lot of money, but there are other AI tools as well that you can learn. There's Cloud, there's Midjourney, there's Gemini. There are so many of them. Just pick a tool. Even if it's ChatGPT you want to use, that's fine as well. But the problem I have with a lot of people is that they don't even know how to prompt. That was why I took my time to create this video on how you can apply for financial aid on Coursera and take the prompt engineering course for free. So please, if you've not yet, watch this video, apply for financial aid, and take that course. And most importantly, you know I am all about execution. Execute. Practice daily. The more you play with prompts, the better you get. Because ChatGPT is available to everybody. What differentiates you from every other person using ChatGPT is the prompt you feed it. Those long dash, remove it. Those weird emojis, remove it. Those recovering, struggling in the pastry of discovering, are you suffering from? Remove it from your content. One of my best practice to get the best results from ChatGPT is to write everything in my head, everything I'm thinking, the direction I want to go with the content or whatever it is I am writing, and then I just give it to ChatGPT. And I will tell ChatGPT to maintain the tone and my style of writing. Use ChatGPT as your assistant, not as your brain, like your mainframe. The next high income skill that will double your income in 2026 is problem solving. Every business exists because there was a problem someone needed solved. One of my students who became a social media manager after VASP, this is a screenshot she sent to me, is currently working with a US client. She had an Instagram account she was struggling to stay consistent on. And this was a huge problem for her because she started selling digital products and she needed someone to start creating content that will give her visibility and also bring sales. This is how my student landed that job. This was a problem for this client and my student was there to solve it. So there is money, there is clients. People have a real problem that they need solution for. But in order for them to give you their money, you need to solve a problem. You need to be able to solve that problem for them. Now, I want to believe if you're watching this video, you know who your buyer persona is because I've been mentioning that all over this channel. You want to write down 3 occurring problems that you see with your target audience. Then figure out one tiny solution that you can offer. The next high income skill you need to learn that will double your income in 2026 is personal branding. Now, if they don't know you exist, they cannot hire you. When I started the Mfon Akpan brand, I was just another girl posting random tips online. But the moment I started consistently sharing my journey, giving value, showing the behind the scenes of building my business. As a matter of fact, I've been batch filming since yesterday, and I'm also creating behind the scene content that I'm going to post as well, because personal branding is not just about logo, it's not about choosing your favorite color and slapping it on social media. It's how you want people to perceive you. So the moment I shifted from just sharing random tips and showing all of these things about myself, people started trusting me. Now, if you want to learn more about building your personal brand, watch these videos and get started. The next skill you need to learn that will double your income in 2026 is content creation. This is one of the most exciting times to be alive, because visibility is currency today. If you can capture attention, you can monetize it. For example, one of my videos last year pulled in 100 and something views and attracted new students to my coaching program. I didn't spend $1 on ads. Now, this might excite you and you go, oh, I'll start creating content. But hear this: every piece of content you create should educate, entertain, engage. And you do not have to be on all the platforms. You don't have to be on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Twitter, all at the same time. The next skill I want to share with you that you can learn today that will double your income in 2026 is sale. I personally struggled with this one. For the longest time, I believed I was not a salesperson. I felt like selling was being pushy, was being manipulative, and this mindset really kept me stuck. This year, I made a decision to upskill my sales and marketing skills. As a matter of fact, it was one of my goals for 2025. I'm currently reading Sell Like Crazy by Sabri Sobi. This book is teaching me how to structure my offers so they practically sell themselves. The next book I am reading is .com Secrets by Russell Brownson. This is the book. I have a soft copy. I also want to read his Expert Secrets. This is the one I'm starting with, .com Secrets. This is the book I'm reading this month. I'm filming this video in October. So .com Secrets is helping me understand the psychology of funnels and how to guide people step by step from discovering me to becoming clients. The next book I am reading is Catchvertising. It's showing me the raw psychology behind what makes people take action. So basically, these are the books I am currently reading. These are some of the videos I have also watched from the University of YouTube on sales and marketing. You might be someone watching this and you're saying, oh, fun, I don't know how to sell. Even if I read this book, I don't know. The truth is, we are being sold to every day. People are selling things to you every single day. So why can't you sell yours? Read these books, watch the videos, and implement. If you're watching me to this point, you are the real MVP. I need you to drop a comment for me in the comment section so I will know you watched till this point, saying 2026 is my money making year. If I see that, I'll know my neighbor got here, and I will respond to you immediately. Thank you so much for supporting my journey. I feel like I can't tell you thank you enough. Thank you so much for supporting my journey. Every single time I post a video, buy my products, joining my programs, you are amazing. God bless you. I will see you in any of these videos I mentioned earlier that you choose to watch first. Bye, neighbor. You need to stop thinking this is one of, and you need to, and you not.